Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are gonna learn how to say thank you in Turkish. So let's get started. So if you want to say in Turkish thank you, you say teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. It's formal way. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür, thanks. Ederim, I do. Teşekkür ederim, I do thanks. But of course in English it is not like that. In English, thank you. In Turkish, teşekkür ederim. Teşekkürler. Teşekkürler. Teşekkürler. Thanks. It is casual way. Teşekkürler. Or you can say çok teşekkür ederim. Thank you very much. Çok teşekkür ederim. Çok teşekkür ederim. Çok, a lot. Teşekkür, thanks. Ederim, I do. So it's like a lot, thanks, I do. Of course, the translation is thank you very much. Çok teşekkür ederim. Sağ ol. Sağ ol. Remember, yumuşak G in between, it has no sound, so it's like air coming out of your mouth. Sağ ol. Sağ ol. Thanks. It is informal, often used among friends and family. Sağ ol. And this is informal, and the formal way of this word is sağ olun. Sağ olun. Sağ olun. Sağ olun. Thanks. It is often used to show respect. So, sağ is like healthy, ol, be. So you can say the translation could be healthy. Okay? So, the translation is thanks. If you translate word by word, it becomes be healthy. It is another way to say thanks in Turkish. Sağ ol. Minnettarım. Minnettarım. Minnettarım. I'm grateful. It is formal. Minnettarım. Elinize sağlık. Elinize sağlık. Elinize sağlık. Literally means health to your hands, used to thank someone for a meal or something they have prepared for you. If someone does something for you, you can say elinize sağlık. It is formal way to show respect. And the informal way is eline sağlık. You can use it between friends, family. Eline sağlık. Eline, to your hand. Sağlık, health. So it is like health to your hand. Eline sağlık. Or you can also say ellerinize sağlık. Ellerinize sağlık. Ellerinize sağlık. It is like health to your hands. It is plural form of saying health to your hand. Literal means health to your hands, used to thank someone for their effort or work. There is another way which practicing Muslims use, and it is may God be pleased from you. It is like Allah razı olsun. Allah razı olsun. It is like may God be pleased. If someone does something for you, you can just say Allah razı olsun. A more religious way to express gratitude. Here Allah, Allah or God, razı, agree or contented. Olsun, let it be. So Allah razı olsun. May God be pleased. Çok naziksiniz. Çok naziksiniz. Çok naziksiniz. You are very kind. It is formal, used to express gratitude for someone's kindness. For example, someone is so kind, you can just say çok naziksiniz. It is to show respect. And if you are talking with your friends, younger people, you can say çok naziksin. Çok naziksin. It is informal. You're very kind. Çok naziksin. So here, çok, a lot, nazik, kind, sin, you are. It is a suffix. So suffix is used at the end of the word. Çok naziksin. You are very kind. So yeah, that's it for this video. İzlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim. Thanks for watching.